I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in a Nissan Murano key fob. First, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. These are readily available at most electronic stores or online. Having these items ready will make the process quick and easy, ensuring your key fob is back in working order without delay. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Be mindful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing and press them together until they snap securely into place. Give it a good squeeze to ensure it's fully sealed. Now, test your key fob with your Nissan Murano to confirm it's working correctly. If you're looking to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.